At Asics, we have looked at Workiva as a solution to integrate and create a more efficient approach for statutory reporting. We want to centralize the information, make it accessible to multiple stakeholders, including internal and external auditors. And the tool serves this purpose very well. Workiva is a platform where we can share information with multiple stakeholders within the Financial Shared Service Center, but also with auditors, internal, external auditors, and also with non-financials where this is needed. And this is also why we are looking for Workiva to include more solutions, like for example ESG solutions, which will be an area of collaboration between finance and our CSR teams. And we think Workiva is the right tool for this.